Okay, let me show you these whites. I'm so excited about these whites. And I'll tell you for reasons. Because whites are something we all wear. Whites don't last a long time because they're white and they get soiled. And so whites are something that need to really stay fresh and clean all the time. And these are all Alexander Wang whites except for this first one. So that's why I wanted to show them to you so you could see the colors are just perfect. They blend beautifully together, and that's hard sometimes to do with whites. You get a blue white, you get a yellow white, you get different color whites. So now this first one is our Lulu. This is the Lulu. We've had this before in the white. I get it from a guy out of LA. We call it Lulu Sprite. But now these are all $12.99 except for this one. This one's typically $30. We're doing it at $12.99. But you can see that it's perfect because you can't see through it. Even if you stretch it, you just can't see through it. So it works really well for yoga pants, for just all kinds of things because it's a white that you can't see through, and that's always really important to me. All right, and it's a cotton poly blend is what it is. Then this next one is a velour. It's a white velour. It's just simply beautiful. I'll stop saying that. It has stretch in both directions. And again, you can't see through it even though it's a really beautiful white. This next one is a cotton, 100% cotton knit. It has stretch in one direction. This is going to be your lightweight cotton t-shirts, undergarments, just anything. But you can see it's light, it's beautiful, in contrast to the velour, but you could put the two of them together and it'd just be stunning. This we have a terry cloth. This is 100% cotton. Terry, and the sweatshirt fabric is on the other side. Again, 100% cotton and just simply gorgeous. So I purposely picked these different weights. This is a stretch woven, stretch in both directions. This is a cotton poly. Again, a nice clean white shirt for spring. But don't forget, whites are being worn year-round. It's none of this September Labor Day rule anymore. It's just all the time. And then to top it off, we have a denim, which is 100% cotton, which we will not see a white denim, I don't think, from anybody. Again, it's ridiculously hard to get. That's just because most of our denim construction is done overseas and the fabrics do not come back. So it's 100% cotton. It is a stretch denim. It has stretch in one direction. And they're beautiful. Again, you guys, $12.99 except for the Lulu. And that's for today and tomorrow. So the goal is happy white sewing. Happy all kinds of sewing from Silhouette Patterns.